another video. I am Tabitha and I was born to DIY. On this channel, I do all things from DIY, crafting, home little renovations, nothing major, little small, gardening, shop with me, shopping hauls. You think of it, I probably do it. I hope those things interest you, and if they do, please thinking about joining the family. Now, friends, today is shopping haul. I got a little goodies that I want to share with you all. So we're going to just go ahead and dive on in. Oh, but wait. Have you been hyping my videos? Because now your girl videos can be hyped. Hype them up, okay? Hype them up, hype them up. But make sure you also sharing the love and hyping your other favorite content creators as well, friends. Now we can get into the shopping haul. We're going to start out with General Dollar. So I went by General Dollar, looking for nothing in particular. Let me just say that first. And look what I came across. Those are just too stinking cute. They was only $3. And I just had to get one of each. Those are cute. I just had to get those. I just had to get them. They are so cute. So that is the only thing that I had for Dollar General. Oh, I do have some items that came in from Amazon. And I didn't even get a chance to check these just yet. So we'll actually open this together. But these are some florals that I purchased from Amazon. And I think it is a pack of, let's see, I think 12. I think it's a pack of 12. I will make sure I put it up on the screen, but I'll also make sure I leave the link down in the description for you. Whoa, I gotta be a little gentle, girl. I'm gonna have to pick that little piece up and stick it back on there. But yes, I think it did come with, if it wasn't 12, it could have been possibly been 20. But I will make sure that I leave that information on the screen, as well as I will leave the link, as I stated in the description. I will also leave the price. I will put that up on the screen as well. So that way you can see what the cost was. Like I said, these came from Amazon. And I thought that these was really cute. And I'm going to use these to decor in the house and including outside to do some things. So you will see that coming up as well in a video. That was Amazon. Oh, friends, let me just say this. I did get the rest of my teardrops gold mirrors that now I think I have all of them and have enough to put those up in my masters. And then I don't even know what this is. Let me see. Oh, I don't even need to share these. These are outdoor hooks. I'll show you since I already opened it though, but these are outdoor hooks. For me, that way you can clamp your lights onto your fence or from the edge and the trimming on the house. So I actually got this because I have more lights, and these lights actually is going up on the porch area outside. So that's that. Now let's get to roses. I did go to roses. So first things first. I got these from Roses. This was $1.25 each, you can see. And I thought these was cute. That way I can put them up like on my little shelves that I have in the bathrooms. But isn't that cute? And then last that I have from Rose, because this shopping haul is not major. Let me just make that clear, friends. But I've been looking to get, I was going to get a patio cover, a pillow cover, I'm sorry, because I already have a pillow that goes outside. But I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. So I ended up going in Roses just to look around. End up going to their little outdoor area and look what I came across. And then this is the other side. And that was actually $15.99. So I ended up getting this. Now they had other colors. It wasn't colors that I really liked or what I was going for, but this stood out to me because one, it has like that green teal color. You know, I just like teal. And then it has the orange in it. You know, orange is my favorite color. And so I was like, oh, this is cute with the little brown. And so what I end up doing is I had to go back and get these pillows because I was like, oh, I don't need pillows. I can just get some pillow covers. Well, I end up going on like Amazon, Walmart, and all these places trying to find the pillow covers that I wanted and couldn't. And I was like, you know what? For the price of me buying the pillow covers, it is just cheaper and much easier just to go back and get the pillows that I want. So they actually had two different color greens. I chose the lighter one. So these pillows were $5.99. Okay. And so I got two greens. So I got two greens. And then I also got one of the brown pillow. So that way I will have that to go. Now this is actually going outside, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and start getting that outdoor space situated. Now, friends, I actually was going to wait and show you this shopping haul on next week because I have other items that's supposed to be coming in. But you would already seen my pillows because I want my front porch already decorated for Mother's Day. So I decided to go ahead and do this shopping haul. Even though it's a very small shopping haul, I still wanted to share with what I had. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm going to get these pillows put out. Oh, I do want to say this. Thank you so much for everyone that did chime in and let me know about the boxwoods. I am going to get those boxwoods. So, of course, you're going to see me decorate the porch. You're not going to get a chance to see me put the boxwoods in the ground just of yet. Like I said, today is Wednesday, okay? We only have, what, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday? We have rain today. We have rain tomorrow. And then the Friday, we have like a small chance of rain, but I know I'm not going to be able to get out there on Friday. Friday, I have a scheduled dinner with some close friends of mine. So I'm not going to be able to do anything outdoors on Friday, but we have chance of rain. And so Saturday, of course, I will be out. It will be in the yard. I'm not sure if I get a chance to do the front yard. I would definitely for sure be in that backyard because we're getting more rain. But hey, it is what it is. But anyway, friends, oh, speaking of that, no live this Friday. So I may go live Saturday morning, so I'm not going live Friday. I will also put up a post of no live this Friday because I will be at a dinner. So that is not going to happen. So anyway, friends, you get this video. Like I said, I'll probably go live on Saturday. If so, I'll post that ahead of time also. But I want to thank everyone for stopping by today's video. I greatly appreciate you so much. You have no idea that I really do. I appreciate all of the love and the support that I'm getting from everyone. So thank you, and thank you. Also, friends, remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. I hope that you have been enjoying the backyard transformation thus far. I am enjoying it, and I am really like surprised and amazed of actually how it's turning out to what I envisioned, and I'm actually bringing it to life. So y'all are just enjoying that with me, and I thank you for that. So friends, remember to always be bold, be creative, but most importantly, friends, be you. Until next time, friends. Bye.